Why did 4 of my friends make 30K in just 90 days starting from zero? They get paid while they sleep, work only 2 hours a day, and have built lives full of freedom and flexibility. When I first heard about this, I thought it was too good to be true. But then I saw the results for myself, and I couldn't sit on the sidelines anymore. I had to join this journey. Let me ask you something. How long are you willing to keep struggling? Living paycheck to paycheck isn't living. It's just surviving. I've been there, waking up every day feeling like no matter how hard I was stuck in the same place. Bills piling up, missing important moments with my kids, and constantly feeling exhausted and overwhelmed. It felt like an endless cycle, and I kept wondering, will things would ever change? If you feel like this too, you're not alone. Type yes in the comments if you felt like this. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. I discovered an incredible 90-day sprint called From Zero to 30K, the ultimate business growth sprint. This sprint is designed for people just like us. Busy parents, working professionals, anyone who wants to break free from the grind and create something meaningful. It's not just another course or vague promise. It's a proven step-by-step plan that has helped countless people achieve life-changing results. In this sprint, you'll learn how to start an online business, even if you have no tech skills or experience. You'll discover how to automate your business so it works for you, even while you sleep. You'll also learn how to get results by working just 2 hours a day, giving you more time to spend with your family. And the best part? You'll be part of a supportive community of like-minded people who are on the same journey, cheering each other on every step of the way. Now, I know what you might be thinking. I don't have time, or I'm not tech savvy. But let me tell you this. Neither were the people who started this journey before you. Single moms, busy dads, people juggling 2 jobs. They all found a way to make it work because they were tired of staying stuck. If they can do it, why not you? The only thing holding you back is the belief that it's not possible. But I'm here to tell you, it is possible, and you can start today. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating freedom. Freedom to spend more time with your kids. Freedom to stop stressing over bills. Freedom to finally build a life you're excited about. We start this Monday, January 27th, 2025. Seats are limited, so don't wait. This could be the opportunity that changes everything for you and your family. If you're ready to take this journey with me, drop A in the comments below or type SPRINT to get all the details. And if you're ready to dive in now, click the link in my bio description to reserve your spot before it's too late. Your future doesn't have to look like your past. Take the leap. You'll thank yourself later. I'll see you on the inside. From struggle to success. Let's do this together. From 0 to 30K in 90 days. Your journey starts now. Thanks for watching.